Instant bond permanent hold. Can be cleanly removed from most surfaces. Easy to peel release liner. Conforms to uneven surfaces. Uglu is a double-coated non-toxic rubber tape with an easy-to-remove white paper release liner. Uglu can be used to make quick repairs without tools, which makes it handy to keep both in the shop, in the house and on the job site. Uglu provides an instant bond with no cure or dry time, yet will not stick to your fingers. Avoid using Uglu in direct and prolonged sunlight, as UV rays can decrease the bond. Maximum holding weight is up to 2 lbs. Uglu should not be used on wallpaper or newly painted surfaces. Allow new paint to dry, cure for up to 60 days. Uglu should not be used to mount objects above beds or sofas. Top reviews from the United States. Must have. Is the best product that I bought. Really is the best friend for the balloons, ha ha ha. I had the party and my balloon's still here, 2 weeks.